Okay, welcome back everyone. So in the last video, in the last lecture, we have seen how can we pre-populate the data with some dummy content. Now we will be fetching the dummy content over here on the home page at first. So the first thing that we will do is that make 5 courses and 5 products featured so that we can fetch it on home page. All right, so first we will now go to the database. I have instructed to uh, give the featured option for 5 courses and 5 products. So we will go here and let us check if we have the featured column over here is featured. We can see 1, 2, 3, 3 courses are 3 products are already listed as featured. And if I go to courses, I will go to the right hand side and is featured. Here also we can see four products are marked as featured. So I asked it to make at least 5 courses and 5 products as featured so that we can edit it so that we can fetch the data and show it on our homepage. So now I think it made all the changes. Let me reload the page once again. And then we will check if the is featured thing is working or not. Let us come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I can see there are 5 courses which are marked as featured. And even here, there are 5 products. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so manually we will make it true. Save the changes. Here also we will make it true and we will be saving the changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we did some more. So we will make it false. So there are 5 products which are marked as true, and there are 5 courses which are marked as false. Now we can see that your homepage can now cleanly fetch exactly what it needs to be showcase the featured assets. Now we will go to the home screen, home page, and let me reload the page. We can see no items are found here. So we will go to the chat and we will tell fetch the featured products and courses and show it on the homepage. So this is the featured courses section. This is the featured product section. Okay, so I am asking it to fetch the products and show it on the homepage so that we can complete the homepage and move towards the courses page. Okay, so let us come here and I can see, let us see the price of these products. So this is the original price and this is the discounted price, but nowhere in our website we have written the currency. So we have to use a currency converter as well. So let us come here and we will see. Now it is telling me that now fetching live featured data, but if I go to the home screen, I cannot see the featured courses. So we will tell featured courses not appearing on home. Let us also go here, and if it still doesn't work, then in that case we will go to console, add some debugs. Okay, so we can already see that there are several errors, and we can see localhost has been blocked by course policy response. Pre-flight request doesn't pass the access control. No control allow origin header is present in the request resource. So this might be the issue why the courses are not fetching. Let me still try it once. And we can copy the entire console log, and we can paste over here if it doesn't if it still doesn't work. Let us wait for some more time. Let us reload the page. Still I can see no items have now been fetched. So let me hit this one and we will tell the exact issue. So this is the issue caused by the course policy. We have to do a few changes. Okay, let us now reload the screen. But still, we can see that no item has now been fetched. We will go to inspect and then we will go to the console log. We can see the connection issue now. Well, simply let us do one thing. Let us stop this one. Okay, and then again I will run npm run dev and we will reload the screen. We can see that everything is now been working perfectly. Okay, we can see that it is working pretty perfect. Okay, so what we have to do right now is to give a default currency. So we will go here. The default currency is dollar or USD. I will then go here. I will now go here and I will delete this extra dollar sign. All right, for that, I will simply go to Fisher courses. Let us search in this way. I'm showing you the easiest way. Let us quickly reload the screen once again. Okay, perfect. So, so we have to remove the extra dollar sign from here. Now we will go and create the courses page. Okay, so now create the courses page with all the filters.